Hello, welcome back. It's Jesse Home Decor YouTube channel. Coming up on the trending demand of our youth, teen, and youngster for their room decor. Breaking down detail on teen room decor. First of all, we will discuss on color scheme. Talking on color schemes, we will suggest vibrant and trendy color palettes like pastel, jewel tones, or even a monochromatic theme, highlighting the importance of choosing colors that reflect the teen's personality. Further, we discuss on accent walls. We recommend creating an accent wall with removable wallpapers, decals, or a mold paint color. We also showcase various patterns and design that appeal to different tastes of the upcoming teen demands. DIY wall art is an also encouraging idea for viewers to personalize their space with the DIY wall art projects using canvases, string lights, or framed photos. We provide easy to follow tutorials for creating custom hardware. Functional furniture. We also suggest space saving furniture options such as loft beds, wall mounted shelves, and multifunctional pieces. We discuss the importance of furniture that suits both style and functionality and the personality of our viewers. Cozy bedding emphasizes the significance of comfortable and stylish bedding, including statement pillows and throws, showcasing different bedding styles from boho check to minimalist designs, and so many other ideas. Decorative lighting explore creative lighting ideas like fairy lights, unique lamp designs, or fairy lights, neon lamps. Further talking, we more emphasize on so many other ideas to enhance the features of the specific idea to enhance the specific site choose for decoration. We explain how the lighting can set the mood and enhance the overall aesthetic. Gallery wall may also guide our viewers on creating the mix of posters, art prints, and personal photos, recommending on arranging the pieces in a visually appealing way for our viewers and the other surroundings. Organization solution is also an hyping demand for therefore we share tips on keeping the room organized with storage bins, underbed storage, and floating shelves. Moreover, we emphasize the importance of decluttering for a visually pleasing space. Talking on personalized touches, we also encourage through DIY projects like named signs, customized furniture, or corkboard displays that highlight the uniqueness of adding personal touches to make the room truly their own. Tech integration may also represent so many ways to seamlessly integrate technology with the decor, such as cable management solutions and smart home devices, and so many other technology demands. We also show tech-savvy decor items like LED strips controlled by a smartphone app and so many other apps. Talking on additional detail points on the teen room decoration, we also suggest floating shelves and display that are influenced by installing floating shelves to display favorite books, collectibles, and so many other personal items. We also provide ideas on arranging items in a visually appealing manner. DIY task and study area explore creative ideas using repurposing material or unique design. We emphasize the importance of a well organized, steady space with so many other ideas in addition to the lighting to enhance the feature. Texture fabrics incorporating through rugs, curtains, or so many other throw pillows or blankets. We discuss how texture and depth can add coziness to the room, hanging curtains or canopy for a touch of elegance and privacy. We also showcase different curtain styles and canopy designs. Mirror magic also highlight to create an illusion of space and add a decorative element, sharing ideas for unique mirror shapes and placements. Moreover, plants and greenery also introduce the concept of nature indoors with plants and succulents. We also recommend low maintenance plants suitable for our teen rooms. Interactive wall decal that allow personalization and creativity can also enhance the touch of our decoration and personality. We provide examples or decals that can be rearranged or written on. Theme decoration are the most trending teen demands as they discuss the idea of theme decor based on interests like music, travel, or sports, or it might depend on the personality of our beloved future viewers. We offer tips on incorporating a theme without overwhelming the space. Bulletin boards or memo boards for organization and showcasing artwork to create a unique touch for your decor. We share DIY ideas for creating stylish and elegant touch to your decoration. Upgrade bedside essential. We recommend with stylish nightstands. Moreover, so many other charging stations or lamps. We discuss how small details contribute to the overall aesthetic. At the end, it would be really encouraging if our viewer like to get creative, mix and match different ideas and adapt them to their personal style. Additionally, we consider creating mood boards or visual guides to provide a visual reference for the discussed decor elements. We would really encourage if our viewers share their own decor experience and can also share how they transform their own life and their rooms or the living styles through us. Share your ideas, views in the comment section to stay connected with us. And if you really need any kind of query or you have any question, it would be really appealing for us to guide you. As the viewers are our first priority, it would be really crucial to stay connected with you. Moreover, we really encourage you to like the channel, subscribe the channel, and keep in touch with us to get more and more stunning, vibrant, and updated trending demand of our viewers to get more and more elegant and vibrant ideas to make your living more personalized and stylish to make it attractive to the others too. Thank you. Take care for the next time.